If you're shopping for a used Chevy Silverado 1500, be extremely careful with the 2014 model. It's widely considered one of the worst Silverado years ever made due to transmission problems, AC failures, and a long list of owner complaints. But the 2014 isn't the only Silverado you should avoid. In this video, I'll show you the Chevy Silverado 1500 years to avoid, the most common Silverado problems, and the model years that are actually worth buying. And here's the surprising part. One of the trucks on this list is still selling for thousands more than it's worth, despite having a terrible reliability record. Let's get started. The early troublemakers, 2007 and 2008. Let's start our list of the Chevy Silverado 1500 years to avoid with the 2007 and 2008 models. If you're researching Chevy Silverado engine problems, the 2007 model is ground zero for one of GM's biggest missteps: the Active Fuel Management System, commonly known as AFM. Chevy designed AFM to shut down engine cylinders under light loads to improve fuel economy. Unfortunately, it became associated with excessive oil consumption, stuck piston rings, and long-term engine reliability concerns. The issue became so widespread that it eventually led to major legal action and years of owner complaints. Many owners reported adding several quarts of oil between regular oil changes without seeing any external leaks. If you're shopping for a used truck, the 2008 Silverado belongs in the same conversation. Along with ongoing oil consumption complaints, the 2008 model was heavily affected by the massive Takata airbag recall. Unless you have documentation showing that major issues have already been addressed, proceed with extreme caution when considering either of these model years. The reliability dip, 2012 and 2013. Next up, we see a noticeable dip in Chevy Silverado reliability during the 2012 and 2013 model years. While these aren't the absolute worst Silverado years, they still have enough red flags to keep them off the list of the most reliable Chevy Silverado models. Browse owner forums and reliability reports, and you'll find recurring complaints involving the powertrain. Owners commonly report rough idling, excessive highway vibrations, transmission hesitation, and early signs of transmission wear. Transmission repairs can easily cost several $1,000s, which is why these years deserve extra scrutiny. If you're test driving a 2012 or 2013 Silverado and notice shuddering, delayed shifts, harsh gear changes, or hesitation during acceleration, consider it a warning sign and investigate further before buying. The absolute worst, 2014 and 2015. People constantly ask, is the 2014 Silverado a bad truck? Based on complaint volume, recall history, and owner reports, the 2014 Silverado is widely considered one of the worst Silverado years ever produced. And if you're wondering which Silverado I mentioned earlier, the one that's often still selling for more money than it's worth, it's the 2014 model. If you take away just one piece of advice from this video, be extremely cautious when considering the 2014 and 2015 Silverado models. The 2014 Silverado received CarComplaints.com's rare "Beware of the Clunker" designation, a warning reserved for vehicles with unusually severe complaint histories. When Chevrolet redesigned the Silverado for 2014, it introduced a wave of reliability concerns. The AC condensers became notorious for cracking and leaking. Owners also reported electrical issues, vibration complaints, and widespread transmission problems. Some drivers experienced loud clunking, harsh shifting, transmission shudder, and in severe cases, complete transmission failure. Add in numerous safety recalls covering everything from airbags to steering-related issues, and it's easy to understand why these trucks developed such a poor reputation. Unfortunately, many of these concerns continued into the 2015 model year, making both trucks difficult to recommend. The transmission woes, 2016, 2017, and 2019. While the 2016 and 2017 Silverado saw fewer complaints than the 2014 disaster, they still remain risky purchases for used truck shoppers. Many of the most common Chevy Silverado problems from this era are tied to GM's 8-speed automatic transmission. Owners frequently complained about what became known as the Chevy shudder, a vibration or jerking sensation that occurs during acceleration or steady cruising. The problem became so widespread that it eventually resulted in legal action and extensive discussion throughout the truck community. And don't assume the newer trucks are automatically better. When Chevrolet introduced the redesigned Silverado in 2019, reliability scores took a noticeable hit. Owners reported jerky transmission behavior, electrical glitches, brake system concerns, and various quality control issues associated with the first year of a new generation. When looking at the best and worst Silverado years, 2019 remains a model year many buyers choose to avoid. Before we get into the best Silverado years to buy, if this guide is helping you avoid an expensive mistake, hit the like button so more truck buyers can find this video. Best Silverado years to buy. The good news is that not every Silverado is a problem truck. If you're wondering which Silverado is most reliable, these are the years worth considering. First up is the legendary 1999 through 2006 GMT 800 generation. If you want a budget-friendly workhorse and don't mind driving an older truck, this generation remains one of the best used truck values on the market. Powered by the durable 4.8-liter and 5.3-liter Vortec Viv 8 engines, many of these trucks have surpassed 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. They may lack modern technology, but they are widely considered by mechanics to be among the most reliable Silverado years ever built. Parts are affordable, repairs are relatively straightforward, and long-term durability is excellent. Next is the 2018 Silverado. For buyers who want modern features without the headaches associated with earlier model years, 2018 represents one of the safest choices. By this point, Chevrolet had addressed many of the reliability concerns that plagued earlier trucks, resulting in a more refined and dependable package. If you're shopping for a modern used Chevy Silverado, the 2018 model deserves serious consideration. Finally, we have the 2021 Silverado and newer models. Consumer Reports reliability ratings improved significantly compared to the problematic 2019 launch year. Owners generally report fewer transmission issues, fewer electrical complaints, and better overall long-term reliability. If your budget allows, the 2021 Silverado is one of the safest modern choices currently available. No matter which Silverado you're considering, always pay for a pre-purchase inspection and review the vehicle history report before signing any paperwork. Hopefully this guide helped you identify the Chevy Silverado 1,500 years to avoid and pointed you toward the most reliable Chevy Silverado for your budget. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst Silverado you've ever owned? Was it the 2014, the 2015, or another model year that gave you trouble? Let us know down in the comments below because your experience could help other truck buyers make a smarter decision. If this video saved you from buying a lemon, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone shopping for a used pickup truck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.